Hi, my name is Mike Bastine. I'm the director for our Manufacturing Training Center at College of the Canyons. I'm excited to explain this unique program that we've just started this year called the Uniquely Abled Academy. And what we have done is we've identified a population of individuals who have high functioning autism, and we've placed them into an intense training program to become CNC machinists and have a career, lifelong path of machining. The reason we identified this population to begin CNC training is their attributes for the workforce is incredible. These individuals are focused, they're driven, they have exceptionally high IQs, they're appreciative of starting a career, and they want to be successful, and they're detailed oriented. So all of those characteristics make these individuals ideal for the workforce in CNC machining.
For years I've been struggling at finding a program that really meets the wants and needs of people with autism, and this innovative program came about to really showcase the skills that people have in a field that works for them. We also incorporated employment preparation or soft skills. Over the course of the 12 weeks, the trainees have also received training in resume writing, dress for success, job preparation, and other character skills that they needed to build on.
When I was little, I wanted to be the guy who designed and made Legos and stuff, and this is definitely the adult version of that. So it was like a dream come true finding out about this. And it's really, really cool because for the first time in forever, I'm seeing an actual future. And if it wasn't for this program, I would still be at home twiddling my thumbs trying to figure something out that I could keep focused on long enough.
I started this program because, well, I was kind of at a point in my life where I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do. I was currently kind of just working at a dead-end job, and I thought I could do a lot more with my life. So I heard there was going to be an opportunity to learn some CNC programming and metal cutting, and I thought I can do that. So I did this. What I like the most about this program is just it's a chance to really learn a marketable skill. I just feel like a lot of the time, in college and high school, I was learning a lot of theory, but getting here and you chance to actually, just learn really physical hand-on stuff, it's just a real change of pace, something I'm really enjoying.
They come out with what I consider to be basic skills. So down here at what we call, the nickname for it is a Fab Lab, it's a manual machining shop. We introduce them to basic machining concepts. So they're getting the feedback through the machines. They're learning how to drill and mill and tap and face and turn, basic machining concepts on both the manual lathe and the manual milling machine. It's a good idea for people to learn, when they're training on CNC machines, to get their hands, onto the manual side of things so they can understand, the sounds and the sight and the smells and things like that that are coming off the machine, and they can apply that to the CNC environment.
About this class is because, well, basically you get to learn new things, you get to learn new skills to help with a possible new career. After all, shouldn't we all learn something for a new career?